Hi guys! In this video we are going to learn the articles in Hungarian. Hungarian articles can be definite and indefinite like in English. There are two definite articles, a and az. There's only one indefinite article, egy. The definite article a is used with words beginning with a consonant. The definite article az is used with words beginning with a vowel. For example, the apple, az alma. The house, a ház. Here you can see a is a vowel, so we use the definite article az, whereas in the other case, we use a because ha is a consonant. In case you forgot the vowels, here you have them. Remember that if the word starts with a vowel, always use az. Now the indefinite article is egy. This is used both with words beginning with a vowel and a consonant. For example, an apple, egy alma. A house, egy ház. A tree, egy fa. Be careful because the indefinite article egy is also the number 1 in Hungarian. When you use the indefinite article, it is never stressed. So, for example, if you want to say an apple, egy alma, the stress falls on the noun and not on the article. Whereas if it's one apple and not two, for example, you say egy alma, not two, but one. Now let's have a little exercise. You can pause the video and try to find the solution. Now let's see. A glass, egy pohár. The flower, a virág. The kitten, a cica. And here you see that cica starts with a consonant, so we use the definite article a. The table, az asztal. A door, egy ajtó. The door, az ajtó. The door, az ajtó. Congratulations guys, you have made it. Now you know how to use the definite and indefinite article in Hungarian. The only thing left for you is to subscribe, share the video and like it. Bye bye.